Good afternoon, man. It's Longhorn HVAC check-in. Check this out. Man, your boy had 8 heat pumps to wire up commercial. 8 of them. There's 1, 2, 'Whoever came before me burnt this one out. I ain't had nothing to do with that. 3, That's number 4. We gonna call this one 5, 6. I mean, a company came from out of town, set them up here, put them in air conditioning mode. Yep. Came up here, set them up, put them in air conditioning mode, taxed them for all that money and skeeted out. They ain't even not understand or know what it mean to have a heat pump, or that it could create heat, because they ain't put no heat kit strips in them. Yep. Last one. Work is work. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do. So if you out there and you know you got a heat pump versus a regular condenser and you need servicing on it, Longhorn HVAC, I got you. I ain't gonna brag on myself, but that's number 8. It's number 8. And look. I don't know what y'all just seen, but I'm just, as far as my eyes can see what I know. HVAC. That's all I know. I don't know. It might be some motivation for somebody, but it just worked to me. It just worked to me. 13 buildings. I don't know what all in, what's need to be done and whichever one what need to be done, some it, but I'm here. What I do. Longhorn HVAC.